Hello everyone. Today we will look at how we can extract a CMIP6 climate data from Google Earth Engine using random points or any shapefile. So this is the data which you can extract by using points, or if you have your shapefile you can use it accordingly. So first, if you select an area and just want to create random points in it and want to extract the data from that area, so here we can start. First, to the write the code variable, we name it as a point, and we write the code feature collection and random points. This is the code which you can use, and we have to also create an area like a geometry. So we can create a geometry and select the points like we want 5 points or 6 or 7. So first we have to create this geometry. If I can click here and create a geometry. So this is the geometry. So first create random points in this area, 5, 6, 7, 10, 50, any points. So we select 10 points. So run this code. So it will create 10 points in our selected area. So in order to show the points in the selected area, we have to write another line of code like add map layer. So write the name of the points, then use color, and we'll use the curly brackets, and color is equal to black. So if you now run the code, you will see that these points are created in our designated geometry. So the next point is which datasets you want to extract. So if we want to this data like this one, so this is the code which you can write and access. This is the model name and this is the variable name. So you have to write this is the duration of period. So we write this code and then extract the points, and like we create a variable collection and image collection, which is we if we copy this thing here, we put it here. Now if we can copy this line of code and also put it here, so we have selected the duration, date, name of model, and now we have to add the band. Select band, which band we want to extract the data. These are the band names. So if we want a precipitation data or any other solar radiation, temperature, wind speed, so we can select that band. Yeah, like PR precipitation. So if we run this code, so it is executed. So now we have to create a chart so we can see the extracted data. For that we have to first create the variable, name it a chart, and then write a code to plot chart in Google Earth Engine by region. So now we have to define image collection with collection which we have collection. Then we have to define regions which we have name of regions is these points, and next we have to use a reducer in order to get the data from different layers during the period. So for that we use a reducer mean dot reducer dot mean. So we can last one is the scale, and if it doesn't need, it will need if you want to get any special raster data, then we need it. So if you have point data, then you can skip it like we want in Excel file. So this is the chart. So run the code. No, we have to see the chart, print chart. So if you run this, we will see that plot is generated, but it is not showing the data. So here change the duration period, like we take 15 days, then run this code, and now we can see that the chart is generated, and this is the precipitation data extracted. So if we can see at our points, 10 points, so you can download this data in a CSV file from here. So in this way we can select different data sets by using point data. If you have a shapefile, you can also use any shapefile, like export, import it in assets, and I have this shapefile. This is the shapefile of points. If you can see, these are the points. It is a point shapefile. So in these are the name of the shapefile I created in a CSV file using lat and long. So you can use your own points at the specific area. So if we change the name of the region with the point shape, like points with table name of this variable here, and run this code again, you will see that now these points which of the shapefile, like if we can delete the earlier shapefile. Now these are the points in the shapefile, and now the data is extracted by a shapefile. So you can use your own point shapefile. You can create random points, or you can use polygon and other shapefile. So in this way we can, if we want to, for example, any other dataset, a lot of datasets like these datasets are available in Google Earth Engine. If you want to uh, extract any other dataset, you can just change the name of variables datasets and you can extract it with points. For example, another script like this. So the here we can use, this is the climate dataset we are using, and the band is like, if I can show you the TERRACLIMATE dataset. This is the here you can use Terra. Yes, this is the dataset, and it has a number of bands, like this is the precipitation, temperature, solar radiation. So we can use any climate data or other data with this same code and extract at the designated points. Like just use the dataset name and then change it with the variable name. This is, and then run this code. You will see that you will get the, yes, precipitation data at these points, which I have used the points in this shapefile. This is the shapefile. If you want to extract with random points like similar, you can use this code. We copy it and paste it here, and we change its name 01. So if you run this code, and you will see that, but you have to create the geometry also. So the area where you will see these points, so this is the geometry, and if you run this code, you will see that now the random points are created within this geometry. And so we have to change here also 01. Now if you run this code, you will see the random points are created in this geometry and the data is extracted by these points. So this is all I want to share with you. Thank you.